I am an English teacher at a private school, and today I will show all of you about how to begin English speaking. As you know, I just get a lot of recommend from my students. They would like me to create a video for them that according to point that they are wondering or that are referring to the grammar that they are still do not understand. So today, let's begin with what that I'm going to show is about how to begin English speaking. As you know, the English is one of the language that's very important, or we can say like the one of the language that get a lot of people around the world use that language to have a communication or to have a business or to make a business. So that's why we're going to say that English is very important. Okay, let's go with me. So the first point that I'm going to show you is about what that you're going to know with the way that we're going to begin with English language to speak. Let's look at that. So the first we have to know 2 points of the man in English. The first is referring to the consonant, and the second point is a vowel. You have to make sure that before you are going to learn one language or before you are going to use that language correctly or use that language closely to that easy to make people understand from you, you have to be seriously learn that accent of that language clearly too. So it's gonna be so helpful that can make them understand from you. You know what is consonant? Consonant is the letter, or we can say that the consonant is the symbol of the language that we are used to have a note for that meaning or to have a note for that sound. Use consonant. Alright? Then we have B, C, D until C. Okay? Yeah. This is a consonant. Alright? And the one more point, the last one is we call vowel. Vowel is the one of the symbol in that language that we use it to have a sound with the consonant to make that word pronoun with the vowel that we have with a consonant. Okay? So, vowels, they have 5 only. They have only 5 letters. So, what are they? So, there are A, E, O, and I, and U. That is a vowel. Okay? So, why we need to know about it, and why we need to know about the consonant, and why we need to know about the vowel. Because that is very important that we are going to begin for the English learner or speaking. So you have to know about it clearly. Okay? Yeah. So let's try yourself with that right now. And comment below if you want to know more from me. Thank you.